Embo Onyanwe.
And we no be na good for.
They are no monyan.
Okay.
Onye good.
I see. Now you can say Mbono ase omodoso pa.
Mbono do omodoso na so e wo de enya tambia na batuma batude Mbono doso sa.
Okay.
Another Mbono by.
Okay.
Maybe I never 3 days 4 days ya. Obaba na Mbono aswate.
Okay. Nti we egwa se na mo select na mo ton.
Yes, ya wo obia na ne mark.
Okay.
Ya sola na pa na yi mark ne side, yi mark ne side.
Okay.
Na o mo ton. Dia na ka na de mo side de. De ku boost.
Okay. Na Mbono omo de fi hifa. Ase
de omo de fi Burkina.
Oh, okay. Now say we na good for breeding.
Dia no mo nya ne de. No good say because onyan water.
Okay.
So we so obanya no ade oya kama sin dia na aka no.
Na as the baby sometimes the bi ba as omo ho anya din style bi adentia.
I would say omo do mo guka na so omo ya maya. Obama dia no ni ahoden no. No oba black.
Okay.
Da mo ntino na obode say kan ba na biblia ya mbre no.
Okay. Auntie, lowest price when you buy any bear saying what has it?
We there, over
1,003. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed. I hope you are doing good. Guys, as you can see, we were about to run the interview, but we had technical issues, so we couldn't continue. But the next day I went there and, they are giving me a hard time to make the interview. So all I'm trying to do for you guys is I'm trying to find someone reliable, someone to trust, so we can do business. Because if I give you a number and you call and the person doesn't deliver what you are expecting, I'm the one who give you that number. So it will be something else. That's why I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. You just need to take my time and work with them, explain things to them how I want it. So if you want a goat or a sheep, I can then give the number, or I'll even post the number on my comment section for you to pick it up. So guys, I think we need to take our time and just get your money ready. Inshallah, soon I'll get you someone who can supply you with all the beautiful goods and the sheep and everything. And this is not coming from it's not going into my account. I just want to help you guys get what you want. That's it. So I'll give you the number direct, not to me. You are not going to call me or anything. I will give you the number direct, so you call the person. So I'm trying to work on this, so I know you should bear patience with me. Inshallah, I'll get you someone that will do the work properly together. Because he has to provide like strong sheep or goat, healthy ones at affordable price. That's all I'm trying to do now. So guys, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Ask your questions. I'm ready to answer all. Let the questions flow. Ask them. Inshallah, I will answer. So guys, thank you for your time and I do appreciate it. May God bless you all.